Hello all, welcome to pamitaaiworld. My name is Pamita Singh Gandari, and in this video I'll teach you what is matrix composition. So this is the another topic after matrices as a linear transformation, matrix composition. These all topics I have already finished these topics to the Hindi medium students. They are going much ahead from English medium students. I'm just teaching you all these things so that you both students can come to the same level, Hindi medium and English medium, and that's why I'm teaching in this topic as soon as possible, so that I myself also don't get confused what to teach to the Hindi medium students and what to teach to the English medium students. So that's why I'm just trying to catch you all the English medium students equal to the Hindi medium students. So what is matrix composition? Matrix composition is nothing but where, let's suppose I taught you in my previous videos that this is the x plane and this is y plane. When I scalar jump in the x direction, I scalar, fine, and j scalar jumps in the y direction. What is scalar? Scalar means have magnitude but no direction, fine. And what is vector? Scalar, fine. And what is vector? Vector is when it have magnitude or number and as well as direction, that is called vector, fine. So this is particular thing, magnitude and direction, scalar. So when I scalar land and when j scalar land, this particular things I have taught you in my previous videos. Matrix compositions revolve around these two things, scalar, fine. So let's see, this is the next topic of linear algebra. Let's suppose this is called matrix, and in this matrix, particular matrix, this is called A, B. There are two vectors A, B, C, D, fine. And this is another matrix which is called M1. This is called matrix M1. This is called M2, and we called it as E, F, G, H. Now I want to ask you all the students, what comes after product of these two matrices in this particular blank space? That is called matrix composition. We have to find out what would be the next topic under this particular matrix. So let's see. We would consider this thing as a I scalar, and we would consider this thing as a j scalar, fine. So I scalar and j scalar, these two are the main things, and M1 and M2 are matrix, fine. Now you would understand what I scalar means and what j scalar means. I told you this means these two particular things have magnitude but no direction, but here these are the vectors, fine, vectors. So what would be the next particular outcome of this particular products in this particular field, under this particular field? The next outcome would be A, B, C, D. We will drag this particular I scalar here, and we will multiply this whole matrix with this I scalar, E, F, fine. So how it would get multiplied? First, this E would multiply to this AC part, fine. How it would get multiply? It would get multiply AC, E, and then this F would get multiplied to the BD part, fine. Like this, it would get multiplied to this part. So add. Here it would get multiplied to AC, and there would be addition, okay? There would be addition here. So F would be here and BD. I hope you are getting what I am teaching you here. I am just showing you the matrix composition or matrix multiplication. you can take it as a multiplication, product of matrix multiplication. How does it takes place under linear algebra? Fine. So sorry, this is EG. Guys, this is EG. EG. Fine. EG. This is G. Fine. Because we are taking I scalar. This part we are taking. This is I scalar. EG. So, what comes here after multiplication? We can say when E multiply A, it would come EA. When E multiply C, it would come EC. Fine. When G multiply B, it would come GB. And when G multiply D, it would come GD. Now, can we say... Can we say particular this thing that this particular matrix this particular matrix is where I would land in a space. Fine. Where I would land in a space means where I scalar would land in a space, this type of matrix would be shown to computer mahasya. Oh sorry, I am teaching to the English medium students. This particular matrix would be shown to the computer. Fine. Or shown to the front end to all you guys or all you students, this particular matrix. Fine. So this is what? This is new vectors, new matrix. New matrix is formed. How new matrix is formed? By multiplication of scalar to the vectors, multiplication and addition to the particular vectors. Fine. So this is called matrix composition. Now jumps to the another part where we would find that what would happen, how new matrix or new vectors would be formed when we will multiply J scalar to the M1 matrix. So it's as simple as it is. Don't get confused here. Let's see here again. I'll write A B C D. Fine. This is M1 matrix, and with the help of FH. Now, can you tell me what this FH means? This is J scalar, which is pointing towards Y direction or Y axis. So, how it would get multiplied to the M1 matrix? It would get multiplied to the M1 matrix like this: F AC, fine, plus H BD, fine. Look, these things, when we see these type of things, we get on paper, we generally get confusion. We see this, we say this is very difficult, but it is not difficult if you understand it with the concepts. Fine. So this is H multiplied to the BD, and this is what happening. We are multiplying scalar to the vectors of particular matrix. Fine. Here. And after that we are adding these multiplication of scalar and vectors. Fine. This is happening here. So can you tell me what would be the next outcome of the matrix? It's as simple as it is: F multiplied to A FA, F multiplied to the C FC, H multiplied to the B HB, and this is HD. Fine. So this particular matrix is where J scalar would land in a space. So after that, if we want to combine these two things, I and J, fine. if we combine these two particular matrix, how these two particular matrix would get combined? These particular matrix would combined as EA, fine, EC, GB, GD, FA, FC, HB, HD. Fine. This is the outcome of matrix composition. This is finally called matrix composition. That's all for today's video. I hope you all guys understood what I teach you in this particular video. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe and share to the needy students who wants to learn data science, of course, free of cost. Thanks a lot for sharing this video. Please like and subscribe.